What is going up, guys? Welcome back. You know, it's been a minute. It's been an ill minute. There's a lot of echo going on here. There's no furniture in this room. So just bear with me. The echo is real. 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 I like it, kind of. All right, so we're gonna do both cats and dogs. I told you I was excited about cats and dogs. Cat and dog. But I don't know why I call it cats and dogs. When they came out, I was like, I hope they do cat and dog, because there's no guaranteeing that we're gonna do it in the first place. So, turns out they did. So let's do this. We're gonna start with the Korean version, and then we're gonna go to the English version. So we're gonna do both in one. So let's go, let's get started. I'm super excited. Look at Kai. This is adorable. Hey! I've never seen the choreo for it either. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh my God. I like how he looked like Sugar on the Power Clothes beauty contest with all those beanbags. They're cute, bro. It's adorable.
Feel like Cinderella, make a
Johnny. I'm so hyped right now. You have no idea how hyped I am right now. Hey, that was killing it. Yeah, my favorite dog. The choreo is adorable. Okay, you see this cute stuff right now? You see this cute stuff right now? See how they're all laying in the bed together? Oh! Oh! This is, don't get used to this, okay? Because, you know, unfortunately, they grow up. They grow up, and then they want to talk about how beautiful you are, and then they on stage and they pull up their shirt. Just wait. Just don't get comfortable, all right? Because I'm trying not to get comfortable because I love this, you know, adorableness of they have. It's just, I can't with them right now. I really can't. And now cat and dog, the English version. I'm just saying, don't get comfortable. because they're talking about how they want to be a dog, and their choreo is like cute, and the next thing you know, they're like doing all that, and I don't want like, but they grow up, you know, they grow up too fast. Next thing people are like, oh my god, did you hear TXT? They're so cute. Next thing, did you see TXT? I just want to see if there's a difference. It might be the exact same video, but who cares? Hey! Hey! I don't like him in English, bro. That's too much in English, bro. Human Kai in English is too much. Yeah, Human Kai in English is too much. I keep handing up. Look at that cockiness, bro. That's some confidence, bro. Hey. They're too much, bro. They're too much. They're really too much. Bro, I'm telling you, it's gonna be so bad when they change. Don't grow up. They're cute now, and then they're just gonna grow up, and then they're just gonna be like, baby, I wanna show you the world through my eyes. And it's gonna be like, yo, what is happening? Oh! I just sat here and watched them twice, dude. I could watch these videos all day long. I could watch TXT all day long without a problem. And that's a problem. That's a real problem, and I have an issue, and I need to stop. If you haven't guessed it by now, if you haven't seen the other videos, Humankind is my bias. There's no doubt about it. Did you see that confidence? You see that cockiness when he was just like, yeah, I got this, don't worry about it. I was like, excuse me? Who are you talking to? Man, respect your elders, sir. Jeez. Comes in here, oh yeah, what's up? Oh, yeah, I own this. No, what's that? I'm like, who do you think you are? Who do you think you are, Humankind? I'm mad at you. You know, people named Kai, There should be a list for those people, okay? They do too much, okay? Kai with the confidence, and then Kai from EXO with the shirt lifting. You need to stop. You need to stop, okay? Both of you need to calm down, take a step back, and reevaluate your lives, because honestly, you're trying to take over the world, and you know what? I'm gonna let it happen because I can't do anything about it, okay? That's it. There's nothing more to say. I understand that their goal is to entertain, right? But not entertain and dominate, okay? Nobody needs that, okay? But I will say, Kai and EXO is only second because Schumann is first. So if you take RM, then you take Schumann, and then you take both the Kais, and you put them together, add a little J-Hope and V in there, I'm done, dude. There's no, why are we even talking? That's it. I'm done. I can't move. I'm immobilized. If those people ever came together, well, 3 of them are already together. But like, if the rest of them joined in, I can't do anything. The reaction video would be just me doing that the whole time. That's a super group right there. That is the world ending right there. I'm sorry, can you imagine V, Hyun and Kai, and Schumann's voices together? No. And you had Kai in there, and you got a little J-Hope and RM. Are you fathoming my super group here? Because I could take over the world with that group. You don't even know what I can do with that. That's like having all of the Infinity Stones. You got RM, you got J-Hope, you got V, you got Schumann, you got Hyun and Kai, you got Kai. That's all 6 stones. Snap. And all the money disappeared from all your bank accounts into mine, because I run this. And then I'll take care of everyone else. I'll be like, hey, you don't have to worry about it. Your life is fine now because I'm here to help you live your life. Not in a dictator way, in like a way that you can, do whatever you want, but like don't have to stress about money because I got half the money in the world, so it's fine. Don't even think about it. It's like, hey, you're good. I'm like, I can't make it. I bought you a car. What? Yeah, I bought you a house too. See, I'm just, let it happen. Let me take over the world so I can help everyone and we'll all be happy together. We won't even have to fight over money anymore. You want it, you got it, all right? As long as you're not hurting people, that's what I'm here for, I'll help you out. I'm making this video too long and I've gone off topic. Just remember, the key to owning the universe is having RM, J-Hope, V, Schumann, Hyun and Kai, and Kai all on the same team as one. That's how you destroy a society. So let's not let that happen. Unless I'm controlling it, because otherwise somebody's gonna take it over and just make some gigantic thing and it's gonna just be chaos. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know why I went off on a tangent like that. That was pretty weird. I don't know why you guys watch me. Anyways, keep it cool, stay fresh, thunder power, love, everyone. What's up? See you later. Bye!